Thank you for watching my channel, Living Consciously with Rachel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make something that I've been using for about 6 years now, all-purpose cleaner. 100% chemical free, easy to make, easy to use. I will give a little shout out to my friend Mara of My Pure Earth. My Pure Earth has an amazing array of essential oils, so if you're in Asia, get onto them. She is the person who introduced me to a chemical-free home. This is actually her recipe. I want to share it with you. I've been using it non-stop for 6 years and I think you'll like it. What are you going to need? One of the important ingredients you're going to need is some Castile soap. Castile soap is plant-based oils, not like other soaps, which can be animal fats. You will need some baking soda, essential oils, My Pure Earth if you're in Asia. Of course, something to put them in, a funnel, a stirry stick. Let's get making. Before you start, you might want to give this a rinse with just some warm water. I always start with a soap. Honestly, I use about 2 swishes through, but like if you want to be someone who's very careful about measurements, honestly 2 tablespoons is perfect. Just going to put that in. So 1 and 2. They're pretty big. You can see that it's about maybe an eighth or a tenth of the way up. What you'll need to do is if you want it to be soapier, you'll use more. If you don't need so much soapiness in it, you'll use less. You'll need to find your own way that works best for you. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put some baking soda in here. Baking soda is fantastic. Hot tip, do not use too much. I've put in probably like a teaspoon there, and that's about it. So we're gonna put that in. This is a eucalyptus scented Castile soap. I'm going to use a eucalyptus essential oil. How many drops? I mean, it's up to you in terms of the smell. I don't even know how many I just did then, yeah, but usually like 10 to 15 drops. Make sure you get the rest of that baking soda in there. Last ingredient, some H2O. How much water? Again, it really depends on the size of the flask that you're using. Pop it in and keep going until you want to. You don't have to fill it up. I mean, you just saw how quickly this was to make. I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. There we go. Okay, so you can see it's about 3/4 of the way full, which is completely fine for me. Take out your funnel, grab your stick, and stir, stir, stir. Some of the things that I use the all-purpose spray for is my kitchen, my bathroom. This particular one I actually use for my son's toys. I use it for pretty much everything and it's quite safe everywhere. I think the only places that you always have to be careful with are marble, granite. Always be careful there. Also be very careful with anything that really costs you a lot of money. I have been using this on our teak wood and it has been fine. That being said, do a bit of DD beforehand and cross-check. Otherwise, at the end I'll list what it can and cannot do, but again, no guarantee. You know your products best. If it's expensive, boom, there you have it. A do-it-yourself, chemical-free, all-purpose spray. Smells amazing.